Today I'm going to show you how you can hide notification dots from the icons in your home screen in HUAWEI MatePad T5. So as you can see, I have two notification dots on the Avast and on the 2 icons app. And now I'm gonna show you how you can hide it. So in the first step, swipe to the center 2 fingers and tap on the settings. Now just look for the badge app icons and tap on it. Tap on the unread message. Turn on the all. Sorry, this style is a little bit slow. And now you have to turn off all of these switchers. So I'm gonna turn off for the Avast and 2 icons app. Now just go back to your home screen. As you can see, notification dots disappear and you will not see them anymore on your home screen in your HUAWEI device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.